guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm your host Pabitra Kumar Sikdar, working as Azure Cloud Engineer at Microsoft. Is going to announce that I'm going to start a series that is AZ-104 2023 edition. I'll be starting this series. Do follow me up on this channel and get all the knowledge for free. I'll be posting all the updated information and all the syllabus topics which are recent and in an easy way so that once you complete this training, it will be very helpful for you to crack this exam. So I'll be covering as a course syllabus, mm, uh, like uh, like configure Microsoft Entra ID, configure user and group accounts, configure subscriptions, configure Azure policy, configure RBAC, that is role-based access control, configure Azure resources with tools, use Azure Resource Manager, configure resources with Azure Resource Manager templates, configure virtual networks, configure network security groups, configure Azure DNS, configure virtual machine networking, network peering, configure network routing and endpoints, configure Azure load balancer, configure Azure application gateway, and followed by configure Azure storage accounts, configure Azure blob storage, configure storage security, configure Azure files and Azure file sync, configure Azure storage with tools, configure virtual machines, configure virtual machine availability, configure Azure app service plans, then configure Azure app service, configure Azure container instance, configure file and folder backups, configure virtual machine backups, configure Azure Monitor, configure Azure Alerts, configure Log Analytics, configure Network Watcher. So all these things which I have taken up is from Microsoft's official site. These are the syllabus which are covered and will be part of AZ-104 exam. So I would request you guys to please follow my channel and please follow this course if you want to write or if you want to pursue your Azure cloud journey, because AZ-104 is a very important exam for all those people who are looking to establish their career into their cloud field. And basically, if they are focusing on Microsoft Azure, then AZ-104 is a very important exam to write and pass, so that it gives the credibility to you that you have achieved this knowledge and you have fair amount of understanding about the Azure features and its implementation. So anybody who is interviewing you on Microsoft Azure will be able to judge based on this certification. So I would request you guys to please support my channel and please do watch my videos. I'll be posting all the videos one by one covering all the topics in syllabus, and based on this series you'll be able to complete and write your AZ-104 and you will be feeling confident in the Azure cloud service. So thank you guys.